behind this heater, boy. It's cold out here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It definitely is cold out here. Brighten this up for y'all, boy. But not that bright. But yeah, what's good, y'all, boy? It's the HemiTwinz back here with another POV drive at nighttime. You feel what I'm saying, man? So yeah, I brought out the cat tonight. It's freaking 35 degrees out. So this is the type of weather, you know what I mean, the cat will perform in, you know what I mean? So meet up with my boy. It's Tater, you know what I mean? But this POV drive, man, and I'm gonna be showing y'all, boy, what little Tater got coming to the channel, man. You know what I mean? My boy Tater been down for a little second, but you know what I mean? And I'm boy outside, K8 band, you know what I mean? K8 and K band, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be out there, but oh yeah, and this y'all first time, this the first POV with me having a muffin delete. Oh my God, that jump popping like that. I forgot how the muffler delete even sound, man. I think, bro, the start up on this thing, like the cold start with the muffler delete, man, that thing sound crazy. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, that's the first POV drive with the muffler delete, man. And yeah, I'm just about to be meeting up with my boy Tater. And we just gonna get our boy POV, man, you know what I mean? Got the cat out, got the 700 mode out, you know what I mean? It's 37 degrees, y'all, boy. 37 degrees. Got about almost 11K miles. Had it for a good low 6 months. So, you know, we driving them. We driving them and stuff like that, man. So, like, you know what I mean? They ain't making these junk no more. They ain't making these junk no more, man. I'm gonna crack the window so y'all can hear this wine a little bit. And, like, the muffler delete is not that loud, too, y'all. Like, it's not that loud. You can still hear the wine. But inside the car. So, I don't know. But with my boy Tater, man, like, that boy think crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. That boy straight pipe. That boy looking at me. That boy looking like...
Auto. Mute memory.
Muffler delete with the intake, bro. Like, this junk, man. I swear it's a win-win. But yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all boy back on when I meet up with my boy Tater, man. I'm just giving y'all boy a little, you know what I mean? Yo. Alright, y'all boys. So yeah, this how the cat looking, man. You know what I mean? Had to get it washed yesterday. So yeah, I think we thinking about putting the diffuser in the back and possibly a wicker bill in the back. Y'all boys just let us know in the comment section. Should we put the diffuser and wicker bill on there? But you know what I mean, it's just plain Jane, you know what I mean, cat symbol right there type shit. So yeah, we want to pit a split. What the hell? What the? These niggas don't know how to act. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we want to put a splitter on our thing too, man. But yeah, that's my boy Tater junk right here. That's my boy Tater junk, man. As y'all can see, the wheels. Y'all already know what time it is now, my boy. Yeah, this the real deal. This ain't the regular 300. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boy. You probably, I don't know if y'all boy can see that, but you know what I mean. Whatever in that, y'all boy know it's in here. But his junk modifying stuff. His junk straight pipe, but as you can tell, he putting in gas and stuff. What them boy can find you at, little Tater?
It's Tater, man. Y'all should already know.
Yeah, y'all boy go stop by to his channel, man. Trying to tell you, he got a whole lot coming up for this 300, man. It was a long time. He was down for a long time. So yeah, we about to go ahead and give y'all boy a POV drive, man. Got the big cat out. Yeah, y'all boys stay tuned. Alright, y'all boy. POV drive, my boy. He got that thing out there, man. Long time coming. Y'all can see over there. Y'all see them boy outside. loud. That junk is loud. Boy, I got that junk straight, but that junk crazy. Boy, when I say it's cold out there, I had to put both of them junk on. It's 38 degrees out there, but it's cold out there.
Mute memory.
Like this mother elite, but it just got this junk popping. Junk got that junk popping, bro. Long time coming, man. My boy finally out. Saying like he got a cat and we got a cat. So see, look at 12 right there. 12 right there. Like, why you gonna try to get over if you see, like, what? Come on. Trying to make no sense. But yeah, that's just a cool little calm POV, man. You know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. I think my boy gotta get something done on this exhaust. I know you hear the little rattling sound, but like other than that, you know what I mean? 300, the only 300 in the city, bro. The only 300 in the city, bro. You know what I mean? Shout out to my boy 𝑗𝒊𝒅𝒐. His link will be in the description below. Y'all boy go over to his channel, give him a sub, man. You know what I mean? We're gonna be running that junk up all year long, bro. All year long. And we already told y'all, like, this cat is not staying stock for so long, bro. It's not staying stock. We about to go crazy on it, man. You know what I mean? Mufflers were just a little starting point, just to do something to it. But we gotta get diffuser, splitter. It's gonna be wrapped crazy. Like, man, y'all boy just need to stay tuned, man. Stay tuned and trust the process, bro. Yeah, other than that, yeah. I think it's gonna really wrap it up, man. Just want y'all boy to the hell wrong them boy car, but yeah, that's really gonna wrap it up, man. Like, might get on this interstate real quick, get y'all boy an extra little tow, and yeah, that's gonna wrap it up, man. this cat different. I want Lil Tater to hit that thing for y'all, boy. This joint sound crazy.